Hi everyone, my name is Mike Callaghan. Welcome to my course on building progressive web applications with Ionic. I've been working with the Ionic framework since before its first official release. From those early days, one of my biggest frustrations has been dealing with the complexities of the two major mobile app stores, Google Play and the Apple App Store. I've even had a few apps rejected, leading to even more frustration. All that changed, though, when Google created the concept of a progressive web application, or PWA. More than simply a marketing buzzword, a PWA is a pure web application configured in such a way that you can install it on a device's home screen, where it will function with limited network functionality, even operating purely offline, through its use of service workers and intelligent caching. Android users currently have the edge with PWAs, given that Google created them both, but now Apple users can also get into the act. With Apple's recent adoption of most PWA standards, your application can now live on an iPhone alongside native apps with almost no degradation in performance or functionality. Throughout this course, we're going to build a PWA from scratch, fleshing it out as we go with new pages and functionality. Then I'll show you a quick and easy way to get it hosted, avoiding the Apple App Store and the Google Play Store entirely. We'll work on getting it to perform properly, including when there is no network availability. And we'll wrap up by installing the demo app to a mobile device. By the end of this course, you should have everything you need to get your very own PWA off the ground in no time. Ideally, before starting the course, you should be familiar with the basics of web development using HTML5, TypeScript, and probably a little Angular. It will also help if you've already done a few of the Ionic tutorials out there. I hope you'll join me on this exciting journey to embrace the web in this course, Building Progressive Web Apps with Ionic at Pluralsight.